Hello everyone and welcome to Snowflake's August Snow Report. We're back on the road and we have an incredible lineup of product news and events to share with you this month. So let's jump right into the product announcements designed to make your life easier. Come on. We're making it effortless to work from your favorite external IDE like VS Code or Jupyter Notebooks. You can take advantage of Snowflake's powerful compute without leaving your local environment. Now with ML Jobs, simply execute your code remotely and it will run directly in Snowflake without any data movement. We're also making it simple to build trustworthy, production-ready generative AI applications. You can take advantage of powerful AI monitoring and evaluation tools directly within Snowflake. Now, with AI observability, you can evaluate your app's performance with metrics like relevance and groundedness and trace every step for seamless debugging and optimization. We are all systems go. Now let's talk about some can't miss virtual events happening this month to help you keep building. First, get your data AI ready on August 13th with our technical deep dive of Snowflake Openflow, when you'll learn to unify all your structured, unstructured, and streaming data. Now, once your data is prepared, it's time to build. Our hands-on lab on August 21st will guide you through building and deploying powerful data agents with Snowflake Cortex AI, all within Snowflake's secure parameter. To see the impact of these workflows, join us on August 28th. You'll hear how Coinbase achieves rapid customer insights with Snowflake ML and learn best practices to apply to your own work. And finally, be sure to check out the future of SQL editing, where you can watch Alan Jing dig deep into the latest advancements in Snowflake workplaces. Well, that's a wrap for August. Thank you so much for tuning in. And be sure to dive into the newsletter to get all the registration links and details. Until next time, keep building.